So there's literally these three nuts here, and then once you've undone underneath those two and the roll bar linkage, the strut should come out. But yeah, the plastic bit there for the ABS cable is broken, so we normally pull that out, undo these and undo that, and you need to get a spanner on that side then, so you're another socket. There you go. And then that one there. So if you hold that down.
Yeah, do a slip.
Ready? Alright. Yeah, that's okay, leave it on. Right. And then the top one, same again. Ready? There you go. Then this anti-roll bar link, there's a hex in there potentially if you need to hold it, but if you put a bit of weight under it with a jack, then you should be able to undo that one. So yeah, put some pressure under this with the jack, line these up, pop that anti-roll bar link out now, so that's free. Pop these two out, and then the only thing that's holding it are those. So yeah, just keep that mark in mind, pen mark, so you know where it's gonna. And then once it's undone, I'll literally come into here then, take these bolts out and then wiggle the strut out. So that's your last, hold on to this.
Okay.
Just hold on to the, so this last, there you are. So that's free. Everything's free now, so this strut should, if you hold that.
Yeah.
I've got this. If you pull the knuckle away, the steering knuckle out of there. That's it.
That's it.
And then pull that out. So watch the wire. That's it.
Yeah.
There we go. One strut removed. So it's pretty simple. So there's a new top mount bearing, which I'm hoping is the problem, because I thought there was a bit of a play in that bearing, but we'll have a look now. We'll take it off and see. So yeah, there's a little bit of back and forth play there, so hopefully that's the problem that's causing the clunking. And we'll get the new one on, isn't it?
Cool.
So that's, yeah, the bottom cup then is under the coil there, and that top one's under there. So literally now, pump it, to take the tension off the spring, and then we can loosen this nut. Okay, so that's compressed as much as it'll go. So let's take this off now, and have a look. So that's a 20. So if you hold the center piece,
Yep.
I'll see if I can undo this. Okay.
Yep.
So yeah, this is pumped up now, so the spring is compressed, and hopefully that's enough for us to get this top mount off. Try the impact gun first, but when it gets to the end, then you've got a flat to hold to stop it turning. You can see that little bit of rock, which I'm hoping is the problem with the bearing. It's just noticeable. So yeah, that just came straight off with the impact gun, which is great. Obviously you got the coil spring compressed, otherwise this would have popped off and shot us in the face. Yeah, that's safe. So take that top piece off. Actually, yeah, there's this as well, so I forgot about that one. Need to undo this nut. Let's keep it, okay. So yeah, use the pliers. As long as this isn't turning, that's fine.
It's not turning. Probably do that by hand.
That's it, now you can do it by hand, yeah. And this is loose.
Something just dropped.
Yeah, that's just the coil and the tension. That's fine. It's been held, so it's not going to go in there.
Yep.
Just remember the order they come off, yeah?
Yeah.
So, there we go. Now this rubber I think is fine because this there's no perishing or cracking or anything in that, so that should be okay as it is.
Maybe worth giving it a clean.
We'll just change this, yeah. So yeah, the rubber itself is fine. Just give it a quick clean up. There's nothing wrong with that. So it's literally, that just sits on there. This then holds it onto that metal there.
Yep.
Tighten that down. So this needs to be touching under there, and then tighten it down all the way. I think actually we need to take, that was for the top, that was actually for this top mount, which we don't need to change the mount.
No.
It's literally that, and
Then
that one,
it's only clear.
and then do the nut on that. So actually we didn't need to undo this because that is for the rubber only. There we go. So learn it. So this is on now. So yeah, we've learned that this is literally to do that. The star shaped one underneath is for the top mount. So if you're not changing the top mount, don't take the other one off. Right, so that's in place. The coil spring is still up in position there against the stop. So let's release the tension on this now and put it back on the car. Now, if I release the tension, right, so push this down now. Coil spring will be now under tension again into the top mount. So remove that. There we go. Yeah.
Yep.
Ready to go back on the car. Watch the brake pipe, the brake hose. Yeah. Get that up into position.
Can you line it up?
Yeah. So the flat edge goes here, obviously, to go with the curve. So those,
Okay, let's
if you
try it.
pop those up through
You
here.
ready?
Yeah. And at the same time, obviously, you've got to get it. Yeah, you need to bring it out towards you at the bottom for the angle. And right, that one's through. Okay, so hold them there.
Yep, get a
And
nut
then I'll
on.
get these
The nuts are there, and they're in the.
Right.
Just so you get the bottom one on.
So
That one.
get them one finger tight to start with. Nice little protective covers on it. Right. So you can let go for the time being.
Okay.
And I'll get it in position down the bottom and then tighten everything up. Get them, like, get the boss back in there. The next stage.
That's perfectly. That's
So
going
that's in
through
there.
lovely.
So we get them like that. There we are.
Yeah.
Let's get the nuts on them now. And that's,
So, I think that was the top.
so we'll tighten these back up now. And then get the drop bar link in and then do the nuts at the top.
Slowly, because I'm not sure which way it's going to
So
go.
it's going to go that way. So see if you hold that. Right, and then the bottom.
There we go. Okay.
That one. Okay. And then top again just to double check. I can check the torque on that after.
Okay.
And now it's just, obviously I've got the jack under it to line these up.
Okay.
And we jack it up now
Just to get that
to
back
get
in.
the anti-roll bar back in. So that's now.
It's gonna,
Yeah, if you can get it in.
I get you.
Get it in there, there you are. Just tighten it up. That's it. This is a fixed length anyway, so that'll, the ball joint will take up any slight difference there.
What does it be?
And tighten that one. Yeah, sometimes that can spin, but if there's enough. So yeah, these two done up again now on the strut. Anti-roll bar link. Just these two then, and we're done. And just to make sure they stay in line with the witness mark of the original washers, and then the alignment should be good. So yeah, that's all done up now. So that is it, new top mount bearing in place. So just wheels back on and test it.